The Fodsports FX4 Pro Bluetooth headset stands out for its ability to link four riders in real time over an impressive 1,200-meter range, which makes group rides feel much more coordinated and social. Its sound quality is surprisingly refined for a motorcycle intercom, with strong noise reduction and clear stereo speakers that remain intelligible even when wind and engine noise pick up at highway speeds. Battery performance is a real strength, comfortably covering a full day of mixed intercom and music use on a single charge, so you are not constantly worrying about topping it up on longer trips. Installation is straightforward thanks to the choice of detachable boom or button microphones, and the compact module fits cleanly on a wide variety of helmet styles without feeling bulky. Large, glove-friendly buttons and reliable voice assistant support make it easy to manage calls, music, and navigation prompts without taking your eyes off the road, which adds a welcome layer of safety and convenience. The rugged, weather-resistant construction and broad compatibility with other devices and helmet systems make this a versatile, long-term companion for riders who are out in all seasons.